it's totally impossible to carry a large bag filled with multiple tools, especially when you are in a tactical mission or similar kind of situation. A heavy-duty multi-tool which can serve multiple purposes would be a great solution for that. Thinking about these kind of situations, we have prepared a list of 5 best military tactical multi-tools. Here we go.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
SOG POWERLOCK EOD. SOG POWERLOCK EOD is built to perform military-level tasks. This is an 18 hand tools in black oxide 420 stainless steel, including pliers, V-cutter, knife, a 1x driver and hex bit driver, a blasting cap crimper, and so on. The wire and blasting cap crimpers are positioned in the handle for improved performance. This multi-tool comes with one press power lock that locks and releases all tools easily. SOG's double tooth design is truly cutting edge. The alternating tooth design allows the saw to grip while at the same time reducing friction for optimal performance. Other useful tools packed into the POWERLOCK EOD include a serrated blade, an awl, bottle and can openers, a ruler, scissors, flathead screwdrivers, a 3-sided file, and a Phillips screwdriver. It's wax and oil coated right out of the box for increased corrosion resistance and minimal light reflection. SOG is built for military persons and members for law enforcement and defense. So if you belong to this community, this multi-tool is just for you. Gerber Center-Drive. Gerber Center-Drive is made for real challenges and works like the real thing, built for handling tactical jobs. Gerber Center-Drive includes 15 different fully functional tools. 3 of these tools are outside accessible and lock open to give you a more secure ability to use them. The innovative 3.2 inches center axis driver opens to align like a real screwdriver, yielding maximum torque and rotation. The wire cutters on the center drive use Gerber's triangular and replaceable carbide blades. Made of 428C stainless steel, the main blade on the center drive is 3.25 inches long straight blade that opens externally. Its sliding jaws deliver instant command of the spring-loaded pliers, so you can take control whatever's at hand. The additional features of center drive is priber with nail puller, bottle opener, serrated blade, awl, file, magnetic flathead and Phillips bits. If you are looking for a perfect EDC multi-tool for backpacking, camping, hiking and these types of trips and tours, then Gerber Center-Drive is just for you. Leatherman OHT. Leatherman OHT is an easily accessible and one-hand operable multi-tool. Comes with 16 fully functional tools. Made out of 428C steel, the knives and other cutting instruments will last a lifetime. It comes with a feature that locks the plier jaws in place, safely preventing the jaws from slipping into the handles during use. It also features spring-loaded pliers and wire cutters, so you don't tire your hands adjusting and readjusting your grip. The pliers are machined very well and their teeth are sharp. The wire cutter inserts are replaceable and blackened. It comes with knife blades including both regular and serrated. The Leatherman OHT also features Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, strap cutter, saw, oxygen tank wrench, 8 to 32 brush adapter, and bottle opener. The imprinted handles indicate the location of each tool, making it easy to find the tool you need. All the tools it features are well capable of making you ready to face any task. This multitool not only keeps the nature, stability, but also keeps the refreshing that any job to make you well equipped for job inside, home, or outside. Victorinox SwissTool is a compact multitool that makes sure that you have access to any tools all the time. It comes with 36 functions in one tool: pliers, 4 types of screwdriver, wire cutter, bottle opener, large blade, serrated blade, metal file, metal saw, wood saw, reamer, Phillips screwdriver, scraper, strong crate opener, wire bender, wire stripper, wire scraper, wire crimper, can opener, 2 types of ruler, hard wire cutter, lanyard hole, easy kickback springs, lock release, and so on. Heavy-duty stainless steel construction provides lightweight and lasting durability for long-term use. Its unique design allows you to access each tool individually from the outside of the handle, and the tools lock into place when opened and fold away with a simple slide of the release button. The individual springs hold other tools in place, so you can access one tool at a time, and all implements can be opened from the outside of the handle without opening the pliers. Victorinox, made in Switzerland, provides a lifetime guarantee against defects in material and workmanship. If you love to spend time in camping, hiking, backpacking, then this EDC tool is highly recommended for you. The fit and finish is excellent and screams of quality. The MUT EOD from Leatherman has all the right tools at the right time. With this multi-tool, you can easily accomplish your mission, maintain your field gear, and lighten your kit. This tool is made from an improved high-carbon form of 420 stainless steel that works well with high production tooling. 420 HC strength is optimized in Leatherman multi-tools by heat treatment. It features pliers, wire cutters, crimpers, knife, saw, cutting hook, hammer, bolt override tool, bronze carbon scraper, C4 punch, brush adapter, bottle opener, and large bead driver. The flathead and Phillips head screwdriver bits are always available for that quick fix around the house or the shop. Its serrated and straight blades will make short work of any cutting you need to get through. The blades and tools are all locking with outside accessible blades for easy one-handed opening. Includes 1/2 inches and 3 by 8 inches wrench accessory and brown nylon mold sheath. Leatherman MUT EOD is ideal for situations where giving away a position would be costly. It is widely used by the military for its effectiveness in reducing glare and reflection. So we recommend this multi-tool for those who need heavy-duty tools to perform rugged tasks.